Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Suveri here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. I wanted to create this video for very long and I wrote this script a long time ago. But unfortunately, I was just procrastinating and I was just delaying that, oh, I will do it. So I'm not very comfortable at making solo videos. So I thought like I don't want to come out from a comfort zone or always I try to make conversations as much as I can because it is easier for me. But again, I thought like I should create videos on these topics which are really interesting. So today I want to talk about that when I started my spoken English journey. So when I was at school, I was very much comfortable speaking Hindi. I did not think about spoken English at that time, but I had interest in understanding foreign accents, like I would say British accent, American accent. So I asked my brother that how can I understand all these accents? So he told me some websites or he told me to listen to the content from all those countries. That's what I started. I would not say I was not doing anything particularly, to be honest, at the school, but when I went to my university for my graduation degree, I felt I should work on my communication skills. But again, I was a student of BCom honors accounting, so I was completely focused on my subjects at the time and I did not focus on spoken English. But what had happened after completing first semester, when I was into second semester, I was back to my hometown due to Holi. And during Holi, after celebrating Holi, there was a notice of COVID-19 that we had to stay back at home. We did not had any chance to go back to the hostel again. So then I thought, okay, and I started enjoying music in the beginning for 1 or 2 months. But later I thought I should work on something which is really important for me and which is going to give me a lot of benefits in future. Then I thought of working on my communication skills. So I still remember that date, as the topic is like when I started my spoken English journey. So that particular day was 29th April 2020. So it was 2020. So I started working on it and I got an application from the first day onwards that was Buddy Talk by watching a YouTube video. And I downloaded that application and I started speaking to people there. So in the beginning, it was pretty difficult for me to speak with them. I was not able to understand their questions, but I tried my level best. And at the same time, I started following some trainers like Bob the Canadian, English with Lucy, English with Vanessa. So I was watching their content to understand that how to talk to strangers and how to lead a conversation, how to start a conversation with strangers. So all those lessons helped me to speak with the people. So, but to be honest, in the beginning, it was not easy. It was very difficult. I used to have a lot of thoughts in my mind, but I was not able to present them in a way I wanted to. Because having English in your mind is completely different from spoken English. Like, even though you know a lot of things in English, that does not mean that you can speak English whenever you want. You need to do practice. So, at that time, I started practicing English. So, within 15 days, I was able to understand that how to introduce myself, how can I talk about my family, how to talk about some small topics, because I was reading some content. At the same time, I was watching videos of all those teachers on YouTube. So it was helping me to speak better. And I started feeling comfortable speaking English to people, not very long conversations. I was able to do conversation for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or after that, after 5 months and 6 months, I was able to speak with people for 15 minutes as well. So that's how I started my journey. As I told you that when I started, so the date was it was 29th April 2020. It's been around 4 years now. 2024 is going on, and I want to continue my spoken English journey because it takes a long time to become perfect or to become an expert of the language. So I'm still working really hard to improve my spoken English as much as I can. So that's it for today. I will recommend you guys as well. If you haven't started your journey yet, please start your journey in December 2024 and try to improve your English in 2025 so you will be able to become a wonderful speaker at the end of the 2024 5. So thank you. Bye bye. Take care.